Lubrication, acoustic lubrication, everyone's favorite topic when it comes to ultrasound. The ability to deliver grease and listen to the changes that is being made to the friction levels. So is the friction going up? Is the friction going down? Are we not seeing any change at all? So we can audibly listen as we deliver grease, and we can record the information as we perform this task as well. So here's an example of a bearing that has been baselined. We have set up some alarms, a warning alarm and a danger alarm, or a early indicator of increase of friction, and an alarm to tell us when it's time to go back and lubricate the bearing. So we can see from our overall data, our static data here, that our RMS, our dB value increased from 46 up to 51, after 54. And then we performed greasing on the 22nd of November here. We went from 43.1 down to 42.7. And we can see it on a trend plot here, that dramatic drop when the bearing was greased. So let's listen to what it sounds, listen and look at what it sounds like before, during, and after. So beforehand. So we can see these little peaks around the RMS through the middle here. This is our indicator of increase in friction. Let's listen to what it sounds like during the greasing process, and physically or visibly, you can see that there is a dramatic change where we go from this under-lubricated state to a more or better lubricated state. So let's listen to this. So when we lubricate and we actually get some grease or oil into the raceway, we can see that dramatic drop. Not only physically, visibly can we see it, but we audibly can hear it as well when we grease. So that's very cool. And afterwards, now we've got a nicely well lubricated bearing. Sounds like this. Nice and smooth, no indication of any friction, any impacting, very stable signal in our waveform. That's what we're looking for.